What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today, in this video, we're gonna learn how we can see private Slack messages. So, what we mean about private Slack messages, messages that are hidden, the conversation are hidden. So, what you're gonna do is guys, just go to your direct messages over here, and then you'll see the option which says name hidden. Just right click on it and just go to unhide them. So first unhide them and then go to their conversation and then you can read their messages. So that's what private Slack messages is all about. But that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.